We are going to be doing paint protection for winter, glass protection, all that stuff. Going to be a really good series. I think you're going to love it. Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We are in our winter preparedness video series right now. Don't worry about my voice. I've got a little bit of a sore throat kind of thing going on. It's that time of the year, so just look past that. My ears feel like there's earplugs in them, so just hang with me on this. Now, we're using Julio's car. By the way, Julio, tell everybody where they can get these great products.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio. Now, we're focusing on a little bit of everything each video that we do here. And this video is concerning the battery and your cloth or carpeting inside your vehicle for winter protection. Julio has a really smart idea. He puts all his specialty stuff in an old duffel bag. You can use an old computer bag to put all of your items that you'll store in your trunk so that you'll be able to keep everything safe and sound so when you need it. Now, I can't express how important it really is to make sure you have a really strong battery. No matter what state of the union or country you're in, you need to make sure you have a good, strong battery, because if it goes dead on you in the wintertime, you don't want to be out there trying to change your battery. If you have any thoughts about it and you're wondering if it's any good, just buy a new one. Just the best way to go about it. Now, when you're trying to find a set of jumper cables or a jumper box, we're going to make it really easy on you. So all these products will be in the show more of the video description, because it becomes very frustrating to try to figure out which are the best. It's overwhelming when you look through there. We used to use the NOCO jumper boxes, but we found something right here that is way better. It is way better. You'll be blown away by the quality of this jumper box right here. In the show more, you'll find it. These jumper cables right there are some of the best jumper cables you will ever find. You can't go wrong with them. They are heavy duty and best price. We're always going to get you the best price and the best quality product you can get your hands on. The batteries that you pick, Interstate, your Exide, all of them are great batteries. You can go that route if you have to. But I really wanted to focus this video on these two items right here, because if your car goes dead or you can't get it started, you're in deep trouble. Because as you know, if your battery runs out of charge and it freezes solid, it's pretty much junk at that point. And you can always tell if a battery's no good, because if it freezes, it'll bubble out on both sides of the battery. You don't want that. So let's go now onto the inside. Oh, and before I go any further, I want to thank all these great people for donating to our channel. And if you don't want us to use your real name, giving you the pat on the back and the thank you, then just email us or tell us what name you would like us to use, and we'll use that. Thank you so much to all of you who come to our channel, share our channel, give us thumbs up and that kind of thing. Thank you so much. So now let's move to the interior to be able to protect your cloth and your carpeting. And before we do that, I want to thank everybody for giving all their great ideas. Look through the comments. You'll find great ideas on things that people are sharing. A lot of great subscribers sharing what they do to make sure that they have the right things in their vehicle for wintertime, or even out in California or New Mexico, driving in hot weather. You should have an area in your vehicle dedicated to safety items to be able to protect your car. All right, now what we did was we've given up the Scotch Guard and we've gone to this product right here. It's amazing. It is a cloth and carpet protector like you've never seen before. You will be amazed with this stuff. It will protect your carpeting from, well, do you know many times in the wintertime, if you're around a lot of salt, especially on the driver's side, you have your floor mats in and it gets that white crusty stuff right here. This will stop that from happening, and it'll also stop any type of dirt, grime from embedding into your carpeting, cloth, seats, all that. And you just clean your carpets, clean your cloth as you normally would. And this is real simple to use. And this will make Scotchgard look really, really bad because this stuff is the bomb. It's awesome. What we'll do is take our Venom gloves and just go over it like this and really get it embedded into the cloth and or to the carpeting. And that's all you got to do. And your carpet is then protected from all the elements that winter or hot summers, dirt, grime.